Welcome to the Mom Lab. I'm Annie from momsmeet. Visit momsmeet.link to join our mom community and to try and discover better for you products. With me today are my kids, Connor and Ella. Today's episode is brought to you by Odd Dot, makers of the exciting and educational tinkeractive workbooks. As a mom, it's always a challenge to keep my kids engaged and entertained without resorting to devices. So kids, what happens when you say you're bored at our house?
We get chores.
That's right. That's why I'm always on the lookout for fun activities that are also educational for my kids. That is a mom win. We at momsmeet especially love tinkeractive workbooks because they're a great way to make learning fun all year round. These books are both science and math-based and go from kindergarten to second grade. Now Connor just finished first grade, so this is perfect for his age group. And Ella is going into seventh grade, so she's actually here to help, but I do think she'll enjoy this as well. So kids, are we ready to get started?
Yeah!
Let's go! All right, so now we're ready to start a project from the Tinkeractive Math Workbook. We're going to be making these cute little catapults. So it's really easy. We're going to take 3 craft sticks, and Ella, why don't you put a rubber band on each side? And then Connor will take 2 craft sticks and put a rubber band on one side, okay? All right, so then we take these 2 pieces together, insert the 3 craft sticks into the 2 like this, and then we're going to take another rubber band and tie these 2 together. Then we're going to take a bottle cap and glue it to one end. And here's your catapult. The results are in. Tinkeractive workbooks are a hit in the Mom Lab. These workbooks offer hands-on tinkering, making, and engineering activities designed for all learners, visual, auditory, and kinesthetic. Also, they have English workbooks coming soon. Any of these are available to purchase wherever books are sold. Thanks for joining us today on this episode of the Mom Lab. See you next time.